Hi there, everybody. Guess what I got yesterday? It is my new Stampin' Up! Cut and Emboss. And I'm excited. I'm going to open it in front of you. I didn't have time yesterday. And I'm on the floor here, and I'm just going to cut it open and show you what comes in the box. Super cool. All right, here we go. As a demonstrator, I can order things early, usually a month before everybody else. And I'm excited. My big shot is starting to go, so this is great. All right, here are all the plates. Just ripping into it. All right, this is the quick start guide. We have a plate that looks similar to the blue for the embossing, but this, again, they're all numbered, and I will have to find out about this, do another video in the future. Number 3 must be the cutting plates. Number 2, it lets you know the place die cutting machine, lets you know everything where it needs to go, and same with your actual platform. So this is great. It says place die cutting edge down. Okay, of course. All right, so that's that. Here we go. Oh. And the handle. Ooh, this is exciting. Actually, it's pretty light. It feels a little bit lighter than my big shot, which is great. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. This is pretty fancy here. Okay, and then it just... Let's see if we can get it down a little bit so you can kind of see this. Oh, there we go. And then we're just going to open it up. There we are. Look at that. Dum-da-dum. Super cool. Very nice. Very nice. And then my handle. Now, we can't order the smaller one yet. Next month, everybody else will be able to get one. It is $120 for the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And of course, all of our new dies. Oh my goodness, so cool. Our embossing folders. I will definitely have a video of showing all kinds of good things. But yeah, this is good. This is substantial. Everything feels good about it. It's like made well. Very pleased. Very pleased. Lightweight, that it's very easy. That looks like you can put it together super easy, which we want that. And they give you your little tools for your handle. You never know when you need this little guy. Hold on to it. I'm just going to pop this in here. And once again, left-handed, right-handed, doesn't matter. Just turn the machine around. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. I figure I'll do this while I'm talking to you guys, because some of you will get one of these and want to know how to put it together. All right. There we go. Snug. There it is. Oh, super cool. And when you want to close it, just pop it. Awesome. This is great. And of course, all your pieces with this. So this is great. If you're looking for a brand new die cutting machine, embossing machine, I highly recommend this. This will begin for all of you September 1st. So this is great. The smaller version, the mini Stampin' Cut embossing machine, they have not told me yet when it's going to come out, but we're assuming possibly maybe November or December. That they're hoping before the end of the year. That would be great. Again, shipping, all these different things. So these are the two, whoops, here we go. These are the two machines, and this is the one currently that I have. Yay! This is so exciting. And then the little guy here, that one's 60. 120, 60. So definitely very cool. So visit me at LauraZStamps.com, and I'll put this up there. I'll have more ideas in the next couple of days of embossing different things. You can shop with me through the Stampin' Up site, LauraZ.StampinUp.net. Awesome. So again, super cool. I hope you'll shop with me. Hope you might be interested in a new die cutting machine. Thanks again for stopping in. Enjoy.